Hey guys, it's Dan with Squeeky Clean. We're here at the beautiful Sunnyside campus today, and we're really excited because we're beginning a special project. Behind me is the Dick Lyons Pavilion, and we're going to be doing a low pressure roof clean on this structure, as well as prepping and staining the inside of this structure for Sunnyside. And when they contacted me to do this, I was really excited because I personally know Dick Lyons. He's been a lifelong friend, mentor, father figure to me. He's raised me as a master mason, and we're just really thankful and excited to be able to do this, not only for Sunnyside, but also for Dick. So Dick, this one's for you. We're gonna get this place looking squeaky clean, and we're gonna fight dirty for you today.